Give me the box.
Here.
Where's it going? This is bad.
Connie, hold it. I'm getting Kiwi. Kiwi.
Hold this right here. No! Connie, hold the box! Stop it! Hold the box right here. Oh, I'm gonna puke. Hold the box.
Cece, hold the box.
Oh my god. Seriously, yo.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Your hand. What's in that tube right here?
It's head. There.
Alex, you're carrying the bird.
Can I carry it?
You have to dig a hole.
Don't drop it. Where do you want me to dig a hole at?
Under the porch. Not that porch. The other porch.
No.
Well, where do you want to?
You are not taking that dead bird in the house.
No, we're not.
Where do I bury it at?
Let Connie figure it out. Under that porch. Put it in that box.
I'm not going to the house.
Put it in the box.
It's in the box.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, it's in the box. No, we're doing it in the back of the garage. This way. Come on.
Rest in peace, little birdie. I'm sure your mama would be very happy that we took care of you.
Old bird, Martha. What? And she was laughing when I got scared. I turned around and grabbed her. Where do you want to bury it? Leave the side.
Somewhere in that. We're scared. We're scared.
No.
Where do you
I'm
want
I'm videotaping you guys.
Come on.
Go.
I'm afraid there's a dead bird back here.
There sure is. No, we're gonna do it right here. Want me to do it? Here, hold this, I'll do it.
I got it.
Hold this and I'll do it.
It's not. I mean,
Hold this and I'll do it. Here. It's a rock.